Keto low-carb waffles. High protein, low carb, and surprisingly filling for hours. You can find the full ingredient list in the description. I like to prep everything first. I grate the cheese on the coarse side and add it to a tall bowl. In a moment you will see how just a few ingredients turn into crispy keto waffles. I dice the ham finely and add it to the cheese. I chop the red pepper small. It adds color and a gentle sweetness. The onion goes in finely chopped. I like when you can still taste it. I add the eggs, almond flour, or a keto mix, then season with salt, pepper, and herbs. If this recipe helps, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. These waffles are great for a low-carb breakfast, filling but not heavy. I place the batter in the waffle maker and cook on high for about 5 to 7 minutes. I like them deeply golden. That gives the best texture. I remove the waffles and let them cool briefly. They crisp up even more. You can eat them on their own or use them like bread for toppings. Today I served them with fried eggs and a simple salad. And that is it. Enjoy. Thanks for cooking with me today. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next recipe.